Imagine holding a simple teaspoon. Now imagine that inside it sits something so dense it weighs as much as the entire Earth. That's not science fiction. That's what a spoonful of a black hole would actually be. But what would happen if it suddenly appeared right here on Earth? Would it swallow the planet? Explode? Or simply vanish? The truth is far stranger and way more terrifying than anything Hollywood ever told you. You've probably heard at least one of these. A tiny black hole would eat the Earth. A small one would evaporate instantly. If one appeared, it'd pull everything in like a cosmic vacuum cleaner. The internet loves these myths, but let's separate the fear from the physics, starting with the wildest version of them all. A black hole's size depends only on its mass. So if its event horizon, the point of no return, were about the size of a teaspoon, its mass would be roughly 1 Earth. That's about 7 times 10 to the 24th kilograms crushed into a sphere smaller than a marble. Gravity, that strong, doesn't just pull, it tears. Anything within meters would be ripped apart by tidal forces billions of times stronger than what the moon causes on Earth's oceans. The air, the ground, even the atoms around it would stretch, heat, and vanish into an accretion flare brighter than the sun. And yet, strangely, the moon, satellites, even nearby planets would hardly notice. Because to them, that black hole's gravity feels the same as Earth's mass. From space, nothing changes. Down here, the surface is gone. The planet just became a glowing, collapsing nightmare. Now, let's flip it. What if your actual spoonful of water, about 5 grams, somehow turned into a black hole? That black hole would be smaller than an atom, around 7 times 10 to the negative 30 meters wide. So small, it would evaporate almost instantly through Hawking radiation. It would release its energy in a burst of gamma rays, then disappear. No growing, no swallowing, gone in less than a blink. The scary part? Not that it eats the Earth, but that it releases more energy than a nuclear bomb before vanishing. Scientists once worried the Large Hadron Collider might create these micro black holes. Turns out, even if it did, they die so fast they wouldn't even have time to say hello. So what if our teaspoon black hole didn't evaporate? What if it sat there in the middle of a mountain, patiently waiting? You might think it would eat through everything like a cosmic Pac-Man. But according to physics, that's not how it works. The Bondi accretion model says the rate at which a black hole eats depends on its size and the density of its surroundings. A small black hole has a microscopic capture radius. That means it swallows matter incredibly slowly. If you placed one inside Earth, it might take longer than the age of the universe to consume even a fraction of it. But there's a catch. As it eats, the matter around it heats up, potentially forming a mini accretion disk. That heat could cause violent bursts and superheated jets. So yes, in some cases, it eats slowly, and in others, it devours locally, explosively. When matter falls into a black hole, it doesn't go quietly. It screams in light. The falling material releases energy as it spirals inward, creating X-rays, gamma rays, and even neutrino storms that could be detected across the planet. If that happened on Earth, every telescope in the solar system would see it, And the sound? You wouldn't hear anything directly. Space is silent, but detectors like LIGO might catch the faintest ripple in space-time, the gravitational echo of Earth's final seconds. Every black hole slowly leaks energy, what Stephen Hawking called Hawking radiation. But don't count on it to save us. A tiny black hole, like the 5-gram one, evaporates instantly. An Earth-mass black hole, though, it would take 10 to the power of 60 years to evaporate. That's a number so huge it makes the current age of the universe, 13.8 billion years, look like a coffee break. So, yes, black holes die, but they die slower than time itself. Here's the strangest part. If the Earth suddenly collapsed into a black hole, same mass, same spot, the Moon wouldn't even notice. It would keep orbiting exactly as before. No new gravity, no sudden pull, just a silent, invisible replacement of our world. That's the cruel elegance of physics. Gravity doesn't care what you are, only how much you weigh. So, what if a spoonful of a black hole appeared on Earth? If it's massive, we're gone in a flash. If it's tiny, it vanishes before we blink. Either way, it's a reminder that the universe hides unimaginable power in the smallest places. Power that bends light, time, and logic itself. Luckily for us, all the known black holes are very far away. For now. But if one ever came closer, we might not even see it coming.